Hey everyone, Kerry Knoll here, and today we're going to learn a little bit about the SaaS education section within HighLevel. So with that being said, let's hop into it. Okay, welcome back. So in this particular video, I want to talk about this next one here, SaaS education. If you click on it, it brings you over here where it basically is going to educate you about what SaaS mode really is, how it works, and you will only see this if you are in probably the pro plan, right? The white label pro plan that is $497 a month from HighLevel itself. So again, this would only apply to you if you choose to sign up for that level. And so this is just explaining to you how to make the most out of your SaaS abilities by having the pro plan. So it says every small business needs it. It's immediate win. It's supplement success. It's high margin recurring revenue. It's extremely sticky. What is SaaS mode technically? SMB features for your clients, two-way text messaging, web chat widget, Google My Business or GMB chat or GBP chat, Facebook Messenger chat, reputation management, missed call text back, agency features for your agency, auto sub-account generation, auto user plus permission generation, dunning, non-payment lockout, Twilio rebilling, SaaS dashboard, how to get started. Step 1, connect Stripe to your agency dashboard. There's a video for it. Step 2, configure your SaaS plans. Step 3, build your pricing page. And it basically gives you the rundown of how to set that up, which I've already kind of covered and talked to you about a little bit through the SaaS configurator. And of course, just getting this all set up for you. If you are going that route, let me know and I can help you do all this, or you can check out the SaaS education here as well. But again, if you're just getting HighLevel through my Marketing Engines A.I, and you're watching this video for some reason, you don't see it, and you're like, how come I don't have SaaS education? It's because you do not have the pro plan or the white label plan for $497 per month. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you real soon. Take care.